Welcome to my channel. Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi Extender Setup Guide. Plug in the extender. Connect your extender to a power socket. Wait until the power LED becomes stable. Move it near the router. Place the extender close to your main Wi-Fi router for the setup process. Connect to the extender network. Open Wi-Fi on your phone, laptop, right pointing arrow, select the network name like Nighthawk_Ext. Open the setup page. Go to your browser and type www.mywifiext.net. This will open the Nighthawk setup page. Create your account. Enter your email and password to create a Netgear account, if required. Choose your home Wi-Fi network. The extender will scan available networks, right pointing arrow, select your main router Wi-Fi name. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Type your home network password correctly. This step connects the extender to your router. Set your extended network name. You can keep the default extended name like home Wi-Fi_Ext or create your own. Reboot the extender. The extender will restart to save the settings. Wait for all green lights. Place the extender in the best spot. Move it halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Check for strong router right pointing arrow extender signal. Strong extender right pointing arrow device signal. Thanks to watching. Like, comment and subscribe.